Hello Mr. Ramones, how doing? Today we will be covering the binary search algorithm. So, what is this algorithm? Basically, it's an algorithm, a very fast one, in which we are looking for the element in this sorted array. Okay? So here's our example. This beautiful array here, right? So we have a array 10 elements, okay? Indexes of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have these elements. -4, -2, 15, 65, 86, 165, 651, 987, 3125, and 1911. So let us say we want to look for the 651. So this binary search algorithm allows us to find the 651 very quickly because this is a sorted array. And in the sorted array, we can do things quick. Okay, so let us see how we do this. So we first start with this range. Okay, we start looking in this range, the 0 to 9 range. Okay, so let us say this is our range. For next, we will look at this middle. Okay, the middle is a 4. Yeah, 4 because 0 plus 9 average is 4.5, but we round down, so 4. Okay, now we look at the element 4. And if 86, so if this element at this middle index is less than the target, then we shall look in this half, 5 to 9. If instead the target is less than this middle index, a middle element, then we look in this half. In our case, the target element is greater, so we look in this half. Now we shall continue. Our next is the middle of that range, which is this 7, because 5 plus 9 average is 7. Okay, and in this 7, this middle element is 987. Now, is 987 bigger or smaller than 651? It is bigger than 651 with that quick maths. And so we will look in this half because 651 is smaller, so we look in the smaller half. So this is our range now. Now, in this range, there are two elements. So eventually we are getting to this point when our range is so small that it has either one or two elements. In our case, it has these two elements. And so we will check if either of the elements has this value equal to the target we are looking for. So is there 651 here? Voila, 165? No, it is not equal to 651. But we have 651. Oh, that is equal to 651. Hooray! It is party time! Party time! Okay, so we have found the 651 via binary search algorithm. So we will return this answer of 6. Hurrah! It is important to note that this had to be a sorted array. Also, we found this 651 there. But there might be a chance where our target isn't even there. Let's look at an example of this. Okay, so let us come over here. This time we look for this element, -5. So our range initially starts this wide, 0 to 9. Now we look at this middle element, 4. Okay, so is -5 less than or bigger than 86? It is less than 86, so we look in this half. Now this is our range. Now we look at the middle element of the range, which is 1 because 0, 3, average is 1, right? And our element there is -2. Is -5 less than -2 or bigger? -5 is less than, so we look in this half. Now, at this point, like I said before, we have arrived at this point when we have either one or two elements. Here we have as one element, and we must check if this element is equal to our target, -5. Is -4 equal to -5? Huh? No, it is not. Wow. So we can't find our target. So we couldn't have found it. I mean, we did this binary search algorithm and we have deduced that the element should be over here in this range, but it is actually not there. So we must conclude that this array does not have a -5 at all. In ergo, we will return this -1. Uh, it's okay, Mr. Ramones. It is kind of sad that we could not find it, but at least you learned a very nice algorithm, right? Okay. So now you now learn this very efficient algorithm for searching for the element in sorted array. Hope you find this video useful. Please give a like and subscribe, comment, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.